A great way to demonstrate how mechanical cleaning and chemical cleaning work is using a couple of key tools, starting with GlowGerm, which is actually a product that simulates bacteria, also a black light, and then a disinfecting wipe, and of course our Norwex EnviroCloth. So these disinfecting wipes work well when the directions for using them are followed. And if you look at the back of a container, you'll see, depending on if you're wanting to sanitize or disinfect, you need to wipe the surface. You need to leave it on the surface from 15 seconds up to 4 minutes. You need to wipe the surface when you're done with potable water if it's a food contact surface where your food may be coming in contact with it. And when they're used correctly, they're able to do their job of disinfecting or sanitizing the surface. So first, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of the GlowGerm on our surface. Just turn off the lights so you can see it much better. And then I'm going to just kind of rub this around as you might rub your wipe on a surface to clean it. And you can see that I'm laying down, of course, the chemical that's in the wipe to do its job, but you also see that the GlowGerm, which is simulating bacteria, is also moving around with it. So if you look at that compared to how our Norwex EnviroCloth works, which is mechanically picking up what's on the surface, as I'm doing here with our Norwex cloth, it is picking up everything off of that surface and cleaning up 99% of that bacteria from the surface when it's used properly. Now, if I go back, as I might in my kitchen, and keep using that wet wipe on my surfaces, you can see that I'm putting down the chemical, but I'm also putting down the bacteria throughout here too. I'm coming back with my Norwex EnviroCloth. I am just picking it up just like that and picking it up physically. So those are the two key ways to clean, and the Norwex EnviroCloth picking up 99% of it using mechanical cleaning.